Okay, so what happened here is we got it all back together as far as the chip being in place. We screwed the motherboard back in. We also, got our screws in, the fans in place. We reconnected our connections, most important. You're going to need those connections. Also, I forgot to mention, but we can mention it now, that heat sink that we saw earlier that's beneath this fan, seize that opportunity to, with a can of air, like this, and blow the dust out of it. What I think, the reason why this chip fails is because they actually want it to. So you have to, get it repaired, because once this fan can't circulate any air across that heat sink, the chip is going to heat up, which anybody that knows electronics, too much heat, electronic failure. So that's what happened here. That's what I believe happened. There was so much dust down in here that there was not enough air to cool the chip off. The chip overheated and then failure. Okay, so what we have to do now, by the way, the gentleman holding the camera, his name is Steve Blackman, very good friend of mine. He actually was doing all the tooling while we're doing the schooling. Anyway, right? But in the process, his arm hit the lens. But, fortunately for us, we have lens cleaner specifically made to clean this type of lens. So we're going to have to go in there, before we put it back in the TV, we're going to grab the lens cleaner, we're going to clean the lens, which is right here, this lens here. We're going to clean the lens. Matter of fact, I can see a couple of smudges on it. So we'll clean the lens, and then insert it into the TV. So we're going to pause out right here while we clean the lens.